Thank you. Thank you, Vaishnavi. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Amit Tiwari and the entire team of Gatha for completing the exciting 2 years of journey. Uh, when Amit mentioned that in the last 2 years, Gatha has emerged as the leading Indian cultural app, the audio platform, where uh, listeners and other people can find a variety of reads in uh, Hindi language, and I believe we will soon see in other languages also. There is a significant potential in this app whereby the use of technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and also a very innovative content based retrieval can really give an user experience that I'm sure will be unmatched. I'm very delighted to know that already uh, 1.5 lakh users are able to access the platforms, and its popularity is increasing day by day. It already has more than 10,000 plus content available, and I'm sure the Gatha team will keep on adding more and more contents, and the use of technology in making this platform an enriching experience for all the audience. So my best wishes to the Gatha team for the exciting years that lie ahead. As Amit also mentioned that the Gatha has been incubated in IIT Kanpur. Over the years, IIT Kanpur has built a very strong ecosystem of innovations and incubation. And in that context, we are very proud to have Gatha as one of our incubating companies. You know that innovation is really needed for the sustainable growth of the country. And in fact, the recent economic disruptions which were brought by the COVID pandemic situation in the country has once again re-emphasized the role of technological innovations and development. As all of you are aware that in a nationwide move where our Prime Minister and Government of India has articulated the vision of Make in India and vocal for local for making the country self-reliant. And the primary intent behind this vision is that as the economic activities grow in India, we should not be depending more and more on the imported technology and the solutions and products which are actually not rooted in our culture and our requirements. This move indeed has fueled many innovations and startups within a short time and has created new opportunities for many entrepreneurs. And I'm really very happy to see that the Gatha has emerged as a platform which is very much rooted in the Indian cultural ethos and the Indian requirements and meant and geared for the Indian audience. And of course, the technology behind this as the backend technology, I'm sure, will spur innovations that will be useful for making the basic technology of this platform as a global innovation. Uh, 2000 years ago, uh, India was a very strong nation. Our share in the GDP of the world's GDP was almost used to be like 40%. Along with India, the China share was also equally strong. And India used to be called Sone ki Chidiya. But as the years passed, India's share in GDP today has reduced to just 7.5%, while our neighboring country China still continues to enjoy a reasonable share of 18%. We as a nation really need to take the economic growth towards the point where we were really known as a strong nation several years ago. And in this context, innovation and technology development are really the key to achieving this. In IIT Kanpur, as I said, we have created a very strong innovation and ecosystem where companies have been incubated in varieties of applications and use cases, be it the agriculture, scientific sectors, health tech, medical technology, transportations, social sectors, and as you saw just now, an application which is really targeted towards uh, entertainment, towards reducing the stress of the people, and also bringing an enriching experience in the form of audio platforms. All these companies are contributing to the local economy by offering the global platforms, and this is where we say that we need to have we need to become really vocal for local. There are many sectors in the country, whether it is the telecom or the electronic sectors, which to which I really have a deep interest. Then there are sectors like health tech and the medical sectors. There are sectors like agriculture sectors. All of these sectors have been growing at a very significant pace, and significant innovations and incubations opportunities exist in these sectors. I'm sure that in the years to come, we will have a very strong, vibrant economy where opportunities for young and enterprising populations will open up for creating, new entrepreneurial activities. It is definitely the time now to create uh, an economically strong country, and I'm very sure that the talented youth of the country, of which the Amit was speaking about, will really come forward with very innovative product ideas leading to successful enterprises. As an institution of national importance, IIT Kanpur has always been encouraging young students, young entrepreneurs. We have, through the uh, uh, our various programs in the incubator, various programs in the institutions, we have always been encouraging our youngsters to take challenges which can contribute towards the society and the nation. Finally, I would really like to congratulate once again the team of Gatha, which has not only completed the 2 years, but also within such a short span of time has created an incredible platform which provides an opportunity for the users to access the content in a much simplified fashion than what was possible otherwise. There is an immense opportunity to expand the scope of this platform. One of that, of course, the Amit mentioned about the content retrieval, but I am very sure that this platform will bring in the backend technologies which can make it as a globally competitive platform available on all kinds of devices, whether they are the cell phones or the tablets or the laptops, and also make available subtitlings of these translations in different languages, so that the audiences with the content which are available in one language can be accessed by the users in another language. For example, the contents which is available in Hindi may become accessible to the audience which are speaking other languages like Marathi, and I'm sure it is possible these days the use of technology to enable it. Thank you very much, the team of Gatha. My best wishes for your success. And there is an immense possibility of not only making this platform as a successful enterprise, but also a very useful platform for the whole of India to use it. So thank you very much, and I'm really very happy that this movement has reached a stage. When it started 2 years back, when Amit has come and met me and was only discussed the initial, aspects of this platforms. So once again, congratulations to the entire team. Thank you very much.